Whisper words of wisdom, let it be.
Let It Be by the Beatles. How are we doing? Good morning to you. Hopefully you're rocking and rolling and already up and moving because step one is to get up early. 7 steps of the Freight Train Mindset, freighttrainmindset.com. Got an event January 14th, 15th. Better be there. I'm telling you. And don't forget to subscribe to that YouTube channel because every time I post one of these videos or something and you miss it, let's say you slept in, maybe you had something going on, all those videos are right on the YouTube page. Just type in Jimmy Bo Healer or Freight Train in YouTube, and we should come right up. So this morning, good morning to you. October the 6th, all day long. Good gracious, I'm telling you, this year's flown by. I can't believe I've almost done I think 200 episodes already. So it's wild. It goes by fast. Enjoy every minute of life. I think you got to believe in yourself. You got to believe in what you're doing. Don't worry about what other people think. I got a lot of I got a lot of reactions to that post last night that I don't care what people think. You shouldn't either. Don't care what they think. They're not in your shoes. So this morning we're going to talk about number three of the 7 steps of the freight train mindset. This time I'm going to share my screen with you so you get a little excited on that. There we go. All right, so look at that. There's the 7 steps of the freight train mindset. You get your free steps. All you have to do is go to freighttrainmindset.com, send that out to you for free. But we are talking about number three. We did number one was get up early. I think you need to do that every single day. Definitely get up early and then start your day with affirmations and positive motivation. Number two is believe in you. You're going to have to start believing in you. Believe that you can do anything you want to do. It's totally up to you, but you need to believe that you can, you will, you must. All those steps and do that every single day. Every morning, get up and do this. When you start practicing these routines, you will begin winning and you'll have a freight train mindset. We'll get you from A to B. We will. That's the whole goal here. Is I'm going to try to work on because I was there. I was in your shoes. I didn't know where I was going, and you have to have a destination. You have to have a plan. I was talking to a lady yesterday. You have to have a system in place to get you from A to B, and from A to B is the hardest part. It's the struggle stage. Okay, so number two is believe in you. Start believing that you are unstoppable. And then number three, that's what we're going to talk about today, is build confidence in all you do, your walk, your talk, your actions. You've got to be confident in what you're doing. Don't just talk it. You got to walk it. Don't just talk it. You got to walk it. If you're taking notes with me this morning, that's a big one. You need to really star that because too many people say, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, but they don't do it. They just talk it. It's all up here in their head. And when you begin believing in yourself and believing that you can do anything, your whole everything will change. Everything will change when you start building that confidence up. How do you build confidence? You start trying new things. Try it out. See what happens. And don't get disappointed when you don't win. It's okay not to succeed at everything. Failure is the learning curve. Failure is where you start learning. Every time you fall down, you learn something. Quit saying, why is this happening to me? But there's a reason it's happening. So how am I learning? What am I learning from this that's happening to me? And get up in the mindset of choose happy. Choose today that you're going to do something great. So I challenge you every day to do something different. Life's not easy. I mean, things get in your way. I mean, there's always distractions. But are you trying to get out, or are you trying to get up? Think about that for a minute. Are you trying to get out of your situation, you're not going to be happy, even if you get out of it? Are you going to be really happy? Or are you actually trying to get up and get a better situation, a better life, a better all the way around? But until you make that decision that you can do anything you want to do and believing in yourself and believing in what you're doing, what you have to believe. I believe in you. Seems like a lot of people probably around you believe in you, but until you believe that you can do it, you're going to be stuck in the same situation. So go out there today. Go believe in yourself. Go build confidence. You need the confidence. The confidence is what gets you to that beat. The confidence that you can get over that hump. I mean, basically, I think life's kind of like a roller coaster, and you're just kind of cruising along. And a lot of times I tell my team and folks that I'm working with is stay between the dance and the fear. Stay between the dance and the fear. You want to be dancing when it's really good, but when it gets scary, get it back, keep it level. So the team is growing. I invite you to come join my team. We're growing really, really fast, and we're doing incredible things. We're helping people make money from home and online. So go out there today, go rock it. Go. I mean, just get that freight train mindset of I can, I am, I will, I must. I can, I am, I will, I must. Get up early, believe in you, build confidence, build that confidence up. Don't worry about telling people no. It's okay to tell people no. Okay. FreightTrainMindset.com. Don't forget the event January 14th, 15th. Get your tickets online at FreightTrainMindset.com/events. Don't forget to follow the YouTube channel and the Facebook and the podcast if you would like. Anyway, have a great day. I'm Jimmy from the Choo Choo Train. Choo choo.